cut that. Get in that lane. Alright.
What's up, guys? It's been a minute. I've been pretty busy with work, so I haven't had much time to make content, but I have done a few things to the G80 since the last video. We did get a rear spoiler, and it's sitting so nice. It looks so aggressive. And then the biggest change, we got a new front grille too, and the air ducts, and this thing looks insane. The front looks so much better. I honestly like the way it looks stock, but this just makes it look so much more aggressive. It for real looks like a track car now. So today I'm gonna have a rematch with the M240. You can see him over here, he's getting E85. So he's gonna load up his E40 tune, and I'm super interested to see the difference, because if you guys watched the previous video, I definitely gapped it pretty hard, which I was surprised because this thing is just way faster than I thought it was. But it'll be nice to have that as a benchmark to see how much faster his car is now with the E40. So I guess we'll see how it goes. So we just met up with my homie with the F80. This thing is so clean. He's on a custom flex fuel tune right now. Got the TEs, frozen black, full bolt on, front mount intakes.
Yeah, I like the new.
This thing is mean. He's on pump gas right now, but he said he's still pushing like 520 wheel, so this thing probably moves. What are you guys taking, F80 or G80? I love how classy the F80 looks. I feel like it's definitely timeless. But I don't know. G80 is just so different. I like it. Honestly, I want both. I can't lie. I kind of want an F87 and my G80. So maybe we'll get an F87 as a daily at some point. Just go bolt-ons. It'd have to be a comp though, so it has the S55. But I don't need two M3s. That would be sick though, having an F80 and a G80. But nah, S55s are just fun. People hate on them, say they sound like crap, but I don't know. I think they sound good with the right setup. I like them. Those pulls were wild. I don't know how, but the G80 is handing out the gap. This thing, I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell in the video, but he's keeping up pretty well with E40. Like, he's hanging on. He's just on pump gas right now, but I don't know. Full E85 or an E30, E40 mix, I bet this thing gaps me. I mean, you guys already saw what the S55 with Vargas turbos on stage 2 did. That thing gapped me hard, so I don't know. It's pretty cool to compare. And it's cool to see the difference of how much faster this thing is with E40. So it's pretty sick. This thing is so fast to stop. I literally cannot imagine what this thing's gonna be like when it's tuned. If it's already this fast stock. I'm in love with this car. I'm telling you guys, the B58 was fast, and this thing is like next level. I mean, as it should be. It's an M motor. That S58 goes crazy. Bro, I'm telling you guys, I must have a factory free G80 because this thing is insane. I swear it makes like 500 wheel, and it's stock. Once I get like a JB4, I can make close to 600 wheel, or I'll probably just skip that and go custom tune, to be honest. I can make like 650 wheel pump gas, 700 wheel on E40. This thing's gonna be insane. Just wait. If you're sleeping on the S58, don't. But hey, as always, I appreciate you guys. Stay tuned.